Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about the 7 essential types of shoes that in my opinion every woman should have. Well, today's video is dedicated to my love for shoes because I honestly believe that shoes can really take your entire look to the next level. The right pair of shoes can make all the difference when it comes to completing an outfit. But as tempting as it can be to stuff our closet with those sparkly sky-high heels, let's admit it's not the most practical strategy. Although it looks great on Instagram and all, but there are very few shoe styles that can actually stand the test of time and will have you covered for almost any occasion. Sometimes we have so many designer shoes but still feel that we don't have anything to go with a particular outfit. Well, that's because we often tend to jump on the trends before covering the basics. So I thought to narrow it down to 7 staple shoe styles that I think every woman should own at least one of. Sandals, pumps, boots and everything in between. These are most classic pair of shoes that will take you from casual to glam, daytime to nighttime, through every season, every occasion. So I really hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, the bell notification button, you know the drill. And yeah, let's get started. My first all-time favorites and a definite must-have style are the shoes that you will keep in your closet forever. They are a pair of classic white sneakers. Mine are about 4 years old and as you can see they're in a pretty bad condition right now and I definitely need to get new ones now. But yeah, since I'm a big fan of cool, comfy athleisure trend, I wear them most of the time. If you follow me on Instagram, which I hope you do, you must have seen me wearing them with most of my summer outfits. I think sneakers are a fun way to make your outfit a little bit more casual, and white ones like these can be very easily styled with everything from jeans to rompers to dresses, even chiffon dresses. So if you're looking for a pair of staple sneakers, I would highly recommend you to first get just plain white ones. Also preferably in leather because they're very easy to clean, although mine are so dirty, but yeah, I always find myself going back to these ones. Another pair of shoes that I think is a necessity in our closet is a pair of black strappy heels like these. I love the fact that they're so minimalistic. They just have a very thin ankle strap which makes your legs look super long, and they are so simple yet so classy that will prevent your feet from drawing all the attention away from the main attraction. And then black is the color that will go with as many of your evening dresses as possible. Now there are so many versions available in the market in different price ranges, so you can go for sleek heels like these, or you can go for chunky block heels or smaller heels if you're comfortable with those. So these are those timeless pair of shoes that will never go out of style. Open-toed flat sandals are a summer staple, so they had to be included in this list. Whether you love sliders or strappy sandals, trust me, a reliable pair of flat sandals will be your friend when the weather gets warm and will keep you comfortable throughout the season. Now, while these summer sandals make a comeback every year in different colors, patterns, textures, shapes, my favorite style is a lightweight one like this, which won't weigh you down and will let the outfit do most of the talking. Whether you have to go to a beach for shopping or just a casual day out with friends, flat sandals like these will take you through everything. Plus, they look great with ankle jeans, shorts, skirts, dresses, especially during daytime in summers. So basically in summers, I just keep rotating between these and my white sneakers. So yeah, a pair of cute, open-toed, flat summer sandals are a must-have. My next shoe style is nothing too strappy, nothing too trendy. These are the basics. A pair of black pumps. These I think are one of the most versatile pair of shoes that can be used to instantly dress up any daytime casual outfit for an evening or a night time. If you want something that will go with dress pants or cocktail dresses, you need to have these shoes. And not only for an evening, these types of shoes I think are perfect for work as well. You can wear them with wrap dresses, suits, trousers for important formal meetings or events. So they are super versatile. Now, as far as heel height is concerned, I would say try and choose something between the medium to higher end end of your comfort zone so that they feel dressy enough but are still comfortable. Like for example, for me, my maximum limit of shoes is 3.5 inches. That's my maximum limit of comfort zone. So it really depends on where your comfort level is. My next essential shoe style, and definitely one of my favorites, is a pair of classic nude heels. Add a neutral or nude pump to your collection and you'll have the basic pump category of women's shoes covered. Now there are so many options available out there which can be quite confusing. So the key here is to find a simple plain one like this. This is just a plain nude pump with pointed toes that will work season after season, year after year. And again, the heels are not too much, which makes it quite comfortable to wear. Also, make sure to find a color that is closest to your skin tone. It creates a monochromatic effect, making your legs look longer. Also, pointed toes tend to elongate your legs, making the illusion of a long silhouette. Plus, they make any outfit look a little bit more polished and sophisticated. So these types of shoes, I think, are must-have in your collection. Next up on my list is a pair of ankle boots or booties. I have these black ones that I wear at least 3 to 4 times a week. This, I would say, is a fun alternative for fall and winter when you want to cover more of your foot but still look super stylish. In fact, booties have now become seasonless. You can wear them with pants in winters and shorts or dresses in summers. So it's that classic piece that is very versatile and gives an edge to the outfit, and they come in so many varieties. So for example, if you're looking for something chic and elegant, a stiletto boot may be the best. Similarly, you can go for a flat boot if you're looking for a more relaxed aesthetic. So whether you go with flats or heels, these shoes are very classy and they look as good with jeans as they do with midi or maxi dresses. Even something as unexpected as sweatpants can look surprisingly stylish when paired with ankle boots. If you're somebody who stays in cold weather, you must have a pair of tall boots. And in my opinion, the most classic and my personal favorites are the super trendy OTKs, aka over the knee boots. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen me wearing these long black boots with so many of my winter outfits. Because in winters, we want to stay warm and still look super stylish and put together. And there are so many ways you can style your over-the-knee boots, with dresses, with mini skirts, midi skirts, or with just a pair of basic skinny jeans or leggings. In fact, they also look very good in fall with a chunky oversized sweater, and they keep our legs very warm because of how high they go, and they are very fashionable and very cute. Now, the ones that I have are in suede material, and they also have these ties at the back, which I think are very important for helping them not fall down your legs. And I also like low heels in them so that they can go casual or dressy. Now, last but not the least, I would like to mention one more shoe style here, which is not a must-have but is great to have, and that is a pair of statement shoes. Now, it basically means having a bold shoe option which can add texture or color to a plain or boring outfit. For example, for me, my statement shoes are these bright red pumps. So for example, if I'm wearing just neutrals or just basic denims and I want to add a pop of color, I just throw on these red pumps to make a bold statement. And choosing a pair of statement shoes totally depends on your personality, your lifestyle, and the pieces that make up most of your wardrobe. Because if they don't go with your lifestyle and wardrobe, you probably won't wear them much. So for example, while people living in cold climates can go for snake print booties or colorful boots, those in warmer climate can opt for strappy sandals or pumps in fun colorful prints or patterns. Or you can even go for those beautiful lace-up shoes. So I think sometimes it's very important to have a bold shoe option to amp up your basics. So that's it, guys. These were the 7 shoe styles that, according to me, are essential for every woman in her closet. If you have just one pair in each category, that will cover you all year round. I have so many pairs of shoes, but over the time I've realized that these are the ones I always go back to no matter what I'm wearing, because they cover all the styles for almost all types of occasions or moods that I'm in. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. Also, do let me know in the comment section below which is your go-to shoe style, and if you'd want me to make a separate video on styling any particular type of shoe. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, or you can subscribe by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. That was all for today. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.